Hi, I'm Tom Foster. I'm with Foster Web Marketing. We do law firm web marketing mostly, but we do lots of other professions as well. I've known Jerry Oginski for many, many years now. Worked with him on his website. He and I have worked together very successfully on bringing video to more to the attention of lawyers than ever before. Jerry's a solo guy. He does his own videos. It's very cool. He and I have co-authored a book together that's coming out very soon, Video for Lawyers, and we hope to have that in the next few weeks. I know he's depending on me to get it done, but it's almost done. And so really happy to be working with him on that. He's got a lot of great ideas for guys out there that are wanting to do their own videos. We have a green screen video studio where if you want to fly in and have that done for you, we can help you on every step of the way. But you know, the best thing to do is do them yourself and get professional videos done at the same time. So thanks a lot, Jerry, for coming down.
My pleasure.